Welcome to our Eppendorf Pipette Service Center. We are committed to offering you world-class service. After verifying the customer's declaration of decontamination, all pipettes go through an additional Eppendorf decontamination process before they are forwarded to our calibration facilities. In selected markets, our services are accredited by ISO 17025. Pipette and order details are entered for tracking this service and for monitoring the performance history of your pipette. In between professional service, we also recommend checking and cleaning your pipettes on a regular basis. We inspect pipettes from all manufacturers. For more information on routine maintenance and cleaning instructions in between professional services, please visit the user guides on our website. Our recommended service period is monthly to yearly, depending on the type of pipette and application and frequency of use. At Eppendorf, we ensure our stringent and validated calibration procedures follow ISO 8655. Our extensively trained technical staff around the world pays special attention to technical details, including environment control, equipment, calibration software, and documentation to create a system of uncompromised quality. A sticker with the date of the next service is attached to your pipette. Eppendorf provides seminars and workshops that allow you to develop more advanced skills for calibration and pipetting techniques. Calibration reports are provided for your documentation needs. Our certified reports are designed to support your internal and external audits. Now your pipette is professionally serviced, safely packed, and ready for shipment.
I am Dorothea Zander and I work on the Leishmaniasis Research Unit in the Bernhard Nocht Institute for Tropical Medicine in Hamburg. Currently, we are working on the identification of novel anti-leishmania drugs. We only use regularly calibrated pipettes. Giving the pipettes to the Eppendorf service gives us safety for our research.